Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I know I had a couple people ask me back in the day a few months ago what happened to the E36. Well, the answer is I traded it to Studio RSR and we traded for some work. So today we're gonna go ahead and check out what work is going to be done and update you guys on the F80 because it includes the F80. And yeah, show you guys what the future plans are, and this will all be done hopefully before Bimmer Challenge, which starts middle of February. So yeah, everything's gonna be happening pretty fast. There's already some progress being made as it is, so we'll go ahead and I'll show you all that, and we'll talk about everything. So here's the F80. Dash is completely out. This is the front of the car, if you can't tell with the front seat there, yeah. All this shit, all this wiring is going to be removed. The car's gonna get rewired, and it is getting a full weld-in cage. It's going to have side impact bars. It's going to have the rollover bars on top. What else? 4 bucket seats, 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, centered. This rear deck is coming out, except for this part and that part over there. Those little parts right there is what the trunk uses to swivel off of, but everything else is coming out. Door cards front and rear on the way. JHP Designs, or Dynamics, sorry. He's gonna go ahead and install those for me. He's making them as we speak, and yeah, it should be a bitchin' project. So what's gonna happen is, obviously there's not enough room to fit a grown-ass man there. This cage, well, this is not the one we're using. It's gonna be a completely different one, but the measurements are going to be different. They're going to be different, and it's about to scoot up about, see that extra space there between the seat and the leg? It's gonna be more closer towards the seat. So the cage is literally gonna be right behind the front seat, clearing enough space for a grown man's fucking feet to fit in there. And then, yeah, somehow mount some bucket seats on this rear bench. And it should be straight away, or squared away. We'll see, there's a lot of planning to do. A lot of work to be done. But I think we're in good hands. I know we're in good hands. All right, guys, back at the house, and I know it's a short video, but just a quick update. That's all this is. I also wanted to note before I go that this is going to be something that I can remove from the car as well. Now, obviously not the weld-in cage, but I'm talking about the seats. So with those seats gone and no passengers, I'm expecting the car to weigh something around probably 3,200 pounds. So there's a lot of weight that's coming out of the car. AC's coming out, all the amps, all the speakers, all the whole radio's coming out. So that's the center console's coming out as well. That's all gone. So there's gonna be a lot of weight shed, and I'm pretty sure we can get to 3,200 with those seats removed. So basically my idea is any random weekend, we'll go ahead and throw in the 4 bucket seat setup, and we'll take it to the track and have fun with the boys riding along and whatnot. But when it comes down to the competition days, Bimmer Challenge, we're just going to go ahead and remove those seats and get right down to business. So the car's not going to behave any worse or any better than before. It should all be the same as long as the car is aligned and corner balanced properly before heading into a Bimmer Challenge event. So my thought process behind doing this is just something more unique. Obviously something that's going to gain a little more attention, but also be, the primary reason is just to be fun, you know, just to go out and track and have the dudes, your boys, in the car with you. I mean, like, what gets better than that? There's literally nothing better than being able to fit 3 people in your car on track. It's a no-brainer. So with the possibility being there, we're just going to go ahead and send it. and it should be a lot of fun. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all later, and yeah, that's it. Take it easy.